Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied from example number 1 to 5 of practice set 3.5 of chapter polynomials. Now in this video we will study from example number 6 to the last. Now example number 6 is the polynomial is divided by y plus 2, remainder is 50, then find value of m. Now here remainder is given. Now let's see the solution. Now here dividend is this is the polynomial p of y divided by y plus 2. Now here I write dividend is this y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m. This is polynomial. Divisor is y plus 2, means here the value of y we have to take opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. This is divisor. Remainder is here 50 and remainder is given here. Remainder is equal to 50. Now we have to find the value of m. Let p of y, this is given polynomial. P of y is this y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m. Now what is the value of y? Value of y is minus 2. Put this value here. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 square plus 7 multiplied by minus 2 plus m. Now here P of 2 means the remainder and the remainder is given 50. Therefore here put 50 here. This is remainder value is equal to, now let's solve this, minus 2 cube minus 8. Here square of minus 2 plus 4. 4 5s are 20 minus 20. Here plus minus minus 7 2s are 14 plus m. 50 is equal to, now here addition of these three numbers, minus 28 minus 14 minus 30 42 minus 42 plus m, and now therefore m is equal to 50 plus 42. M is equal to, we get the value of m 92. This is the value of m that we want here. Value of m is 92. Example number 7. Use factor theorem to determine whether x plus 3 is a factor of this polynomial or not. We have to determine, we have to find that this is a factor or not by factor theorem. Now this is the dividend, it's polynomial. Dividend is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Divisor is x plus 3. That is x is equal to opposite of plus 3 minus 3. This is polynomial. Let p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now put x is equal to minus 3 in the polynomial. P of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square plus 2 multiplied by minus 3 minus 3. Now let's solve this. After solving, if we get value of this means remainder 0, then we can say this is the factor, otherwise not. Now let's see. Do we get value of remainder 0 or not? Minus 3 square 9 plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 and this minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 6 3 minus 3 0. We got p of 3 here 0 means remainder 0. As remainder is equal to 0, therefore, hence we can say here x plus 3 E is the factor of this. Example number 8. If x minus 2 is a factor, now it is given that this is the factor, means remainder 0. Find the value of m. Solution. Dividend is equal to x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20. Divisor is equal to x minus 2, that is value of x opposite of minus 2 plus 2. We have to put this value in polynomial. Let p of x is equal to x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20. Now put here value of x 2. 2 cube minus m multiplied by 2 square plus 10 multiplied by 2 minus 20. P of 2 is equal to 2 cube 8 minus 2 to the 4, 4m plus 20 minus 20. P of 2 is equal to, now here plus 20 minus 20 cancel, 8 minus 4m. But what is given here? This is the factor. X minus 2 is the factor, and that's why we have to put this value 0. Now here I write, but x minus 2 is a factor, and therefore P of 2 is equal to 0. P of 2 is equal to 0 because it is a factor, and P of 2 is this, 8 minus 4m is equal to 0. Now I continue here, minus 4m is equal to minus 8. Plus 8 will be minus 8. 4m is equal to 8. M is equal to 8 upon 4, and therefore we get value of m here. M is equal to 2. Example number 9. By using factor theorem in the following examples, determine whether q of x, means this, is a factor of px or not. Again same, by using factor theorem we have to find. Solution. This is dividend, this is divisor. Dividend is equal to x cube minus x square minus x minus 1. Divisor is x minus 1. Means here value of x is opposite of minus 1 plus 1. Let p of x is equal to, now here it is given, x cube minus x square minus x minus 1. Put value of x now 1 here. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 minus 1. Now if we get this value 0, then this is a factor, otherwise not. Let's solve. 1 cube 1 minus 1 square 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to, now see here, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Remainder is not 0. Therefore, remainder is not equal to 0, and hence x minus 1 is not factor of p of x. If we get remainder 0, then that is the factor. Second example from 9th. Dividend is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 45. Divisor is x minus 3 is a divisor, that is value of x is opposite of minus 3 plus 3. Now let p of x, this is given polynomial, 2x cube minus x square minus 45. P of value of x, now 3 here, 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square minus 45. Let's find this value. If we get 0, this is the factor, otherwise not. 2 multiplied by cube of 3 27 minus 3 square 9 minus 45 is equal to 27 to the 54 minus 9 minus 45 is equal to 54 minus 9 minus 45 minus 54. 54 minus 54 0. We got remainder 0. Therefore remainder is equal to 0 and hence what is there? Q of x, x minus 3 is the factor of P of x.